Hello, greetings everyone. How are we doing today? Are we having fun in this group or what? Well, I would like to feature the white pudding recipe submitted by Joel Gomes. That's a really delicious looking photograph. Thank you so much, Joel. And guys, I would like to encourage you to try that recipe. It's a Guyanese delicacy and it's really tasty. So I would like to give a few tips so you ensure you have all your ingredients. Then you must ensure that your runners are thoroughly clean from mucus, soaked in salt and lime juice. And I love to do it a day or two before I actually make the white pudding. Then your rice should be cooked in coconut milk. Take coconut milk, lots of marmite, pour thyme, or some of us know it as basil. I also love to put cinnamon stick into the rice, and some people do it. I love doing it too. Put finely chopped pieces of salt beef in that rice. It gives it a whole lot of flavor. You should not cook your rice very soft because remember, it has to reboil, right? So you don't want it too soft, and then when it reboils it gets softer and you have a very smushy kind of white pudding. So you boil your rice with a little grain or so in it, and when our rice is done and cool and all of that, you should put back some grind thyme, the same basil, grind thyme into your rice, as well as coconut milk. And you thicken that coconut milk with a little powdered milk, and you include all the other ingredients that is stated in your recipe. Check it to see if it has enough flavor and stuff it into the runners. Well, to get that rice into the runner, you use a funnel. It helps. And you boil it with gentle heat for like about 20 to 25 minutes. When it's done, for it to get that beautiful sheen, you brush some cooking oil onto it. Cut it into the serving slices and serve with your favorite relish. I love a good mango sour. But in the event I don't have mango, or mango is not in season, I use a cucumber dip to go with it. And you can use anything that you like to go with it. Sour, cucumber sour, pepper, whatever it is you like. And it goes well with it. So do enjoy your white pudding recipe. Try it and let me know how it comes out. Send us pictures of your delicious Guyanese delicacy, the white pudding. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.